In this episode, we'll take a look at the Penn G-Gauge ready-to-run large-scale battery-powered train set. We'll unbox it to see what all is included. We'll take a closer look at the locomotive and all of the cars. We'll assemble the track, and finally, we'll take a look at the Penn in action. You can get right to whichever aspect of the video you're interested in by clicking on the bookmarks in the description. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Harper Hill Trains channel. We have many more upcoming videos with tips and tricks on how to properly set up, maintain, and repair your train set. The Penn is a weighty train. The plastic is thick and strong. It doesn't seem to be as fragile as smaller scale trains. It's an ideal train for children. There's a warning at the top right of the box which states that it's not meant for children under 3 years old because the train set contains some small parts and may pose a choking hazard. Let's see if I can do this without breaking anything. This little protector to the side and we'll take a look at everything. Right. Let's take a look. Very nice locomotive. This right here is the on-off button. Of course, we have no power yet. Has a working light. Got styrofoam everywhere on it. Right here, there's a red light, and this is a speaker grill. This thing makes, different train sounds. This right here is where you plug in the batteries from the tender car. We'll get to that in a little while. It's a very good, very clean locomotive. Let's take a look at the next car. This is the tender car where the batteries go. And this is what hooks up into the locomotive that at the place where I showed you just a minute ago. The wheels turn. Just had to get that styrofoam off there. Flat car's pretty nice. And it comes with these 3 crates. You can actually put a little treat under there if you want to for your kid, a little snack or whatever. Yeah. They're all open so you can hide stuff under there. And the Caboose, I don't know why, but I think just about everybody likes a good Caboose. This is really good. Got a little lantern on the side. A smokestack. That one, I just wish this lit up, but it does not light up. That would have been a neat touch. Track is stored back here. Comes with 12 curved tracks, I believe. Yep, 12 curved track, 4 straight track. The remote's really neat remote. Very simple. Very good, very easy for children to touch. Now, I keep saying for children, but, a lot of adults like these. I like them myself. Let's take a look. The next thing we're going to do is just assemble this track, and it goes together just put it like this, and then squeeze, and you hear that pop, and it's good. Now when you go to take it apart, you just barely kind of lever it that way and pull it. Together. And we're just going to continue until we get this whole track assembled. Alright, and I'll do the rest of this on the floor and get it set up, and then we will take another look. The batteries for this train are located in the tender. That's why you have this plug that hooks to the locomotive. And to get to the batteries, see this little switch right here? That's a lock. Move it forward, and this is kind of a handle. You can actually do it with one hand. And the tender comes off. And then 6C batteries right there, and you are ready to go. And for the remote, if I can get it on there, remote, it takes, let's see what it takes, 2 AA batteries. Alright, when hooking the tender up to the locomotive, it's kind of fiddly to get to that. With the cars coupled together, it's tricky to plug this up. So it's easier to plug it up before you hook the cars together. Alright, then continue, just move back a little bit. And these just, they don't have an automatic coupler, so you kind of have to pick it up and sit it on top of it that way. I think I got it straight. And then the caboose. Alright, slip it down over the coupler. I'll just hit this. Alright, got a light on the train. What's neat, you see the firebox back there. It's a red glowing LED light. I guess it's LED. A red glowing light. And it has the train sounds you can hear. Now this train, if you leave it for, I think it's 10 minutes, maybe 5 minutes, but if you leave it for a little while without moving it or anything, the engine will automatically turn itself off, so it'll save your batteries. And if you're going to do this for a long time, I would invest in rechargeable batteries, because kids can wear these things down quickly. Now let's take a look at the remote. Very easy to use. Just turn it on, hit the bell, and whistle. Let's see if I can turn it on. Alright. You see that red light from the firebox occasionally? The track's a pretty decent size. I mean, it almost takes up the clear spot in this room. This train set and many others are available for purchase on our website, harperhilltrains.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.